In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change clothes in Project Mujetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find the option to change the outfits that you have equipped. So, first, all that you have to do is join Project Mujetsu on any save that you have on any platform, and then if you are playing on a keyboard and mouse, press M. This will open the menu at the left side of the screen, where you can see your profile, you can access your inventory, and all other related stuff. Now, if you go over to the shop, you will be able to find this Reroll Race Clothes Potion, and this is what you have to purchase to acquire the option to reroll the clothes that you have equipped. So, as you can see, it is 125 Robux. To my knowledge, this is going to be the easiest way to change your clothes, but of course, it costs Robux. So if you don't want to do this, then sadly, there's not much else that you can try to do. There are some specific potions that you can acquire through raids that might help you, but for the most part, this is going to be the fastest and easiest way to change it. You can browse through other options and you will notice that there is nothing directly related to changing your clothes. So sadly, if you just want to quickly change it, make sure that you go over to the shop and you acquire a Reroll Race Clothes Potion. You will be able to get one different outfit for your character, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. Sometimes you might be able to get codes that give you the option to reroll your clothes, but for the most part, it is always going to be locked behind the shop and the Reroll Race Clothes Potion. You can explore other potions as well to reroll different items or attributes of your Project Mujetsu character, but for the clothes specifically, this is the potion that you will have to purchase for 125 Robux. You can purchase it on your own or have a friend gift it to you. They just have to go over here and click on the gift option instead. They will be able to enter your name and you will be able to reroll it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change clothes in Project Mujetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.